Hey, Moshpit All-Stars, GA with Experimental Girls Cooking Class. Say hey.
Hello.
As you can see, a couple of months of lockdown, stay-at-home, stay-healthy quarantine, and things are literally getting hairy.
Hairy for sure.
My hair's so out of control that I've gotten to the point where I really don't have time to really devote to, a long, drawn-out Uncle Dan's recipe. So we're going with a quick snack because obviously I have to spend more time on my hair these days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, looking good. Yeah. Looking quite hairy.
Yeah.
See what a couple weeks
Yeah.
will do.
So, okay. First thing we're going to be doing is sour cream.
A simple dip. It's a 3-ingredient dip. We got some sour cream.
Remember, when GA's involved, you try and keep it as simple as possible.
Please.
And then we're going with
some salsa.
Some salsa.
About a cup of salsa.
Salsa.
And if your salsa is a little watery or wet,
yeah,
I would drain it a little before I used it.
Hey, that's Dio.
Dio's awake.
Dio's awake. Okay,
oh,
so
come on, baby.
now I want to put a half a pack of this.
Uncle Dan's.
Uncle Dan's.
And that's the Zesty Ranch.
Half a pack. Sprinkle. Half a pack. That's about.
Put that in there.
Half a pack. Let's see. A little more.
Okay.
A little more. Hang on, Dio. We're coming, buddy. Okay, now.
Get that mixed up.
Mixed real good.
And that is it.
That
is a delicious dip.
That's it.
Of course, we're going to kick it up.
Right. We're going to add some black beans.
Ooh.
And onion. Okay.
And then give that another good stir. Get the slides. Get the sides all.
Oh, look at that. I'm just going to show you. And this is quick because obviously
quick and easy.
I got to get to my hair and we got a crying baby in the house. So there you go. Look at that. Now, the test.
Test is.
Oh, I gotta get used to eating with all this hair. Mmm.
Is that a good one? Love it.
Peace out.
Bye, everyone.